a holiday. This is Reunification Day, and this marks the last day of the Vietnam War. Everybody's out. This is like a 1 or 2 week weekend. There's another holiday following it up, but we are out here. I think they're going to do a ceremony or something out here tonight. I don't know yet. I just decided to get up. I thought they did a parade earlier during the day, but I found out there's still activities going on throughout the evening. This is about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Everyone's out. Family's out. It's packed out here. Folks everywhere. See the buildings lit up in the background. All over. But it's a nice, this is a nice waterfall. Pretty. A lot of people out. I just had to look up what happens during this time. So people take short trips with their family. This is more of a family time to celebrate and get together. You see, there's a lot of people out getting food. This is nice. It is still hot right now. It's humid. I see the bigger crowds are down here. Okay, this is, I knew I was expecting something somewhere. They got something going on over here with the big screen. So we're gonna head down here. You won't be able to hear me after this because it's already getting loud.
Trân trọng kính chào các đồng chí lãnh đạo, quý vị đại biểu cùng toàn thể quý khán giả đang đến với chương trình nghệ thuật đặc biệt kỷ niệm 51 năm ngày giải phóng miền Nam thống nhất đất nước 30 tháng 4 năm 1975, 30 tháng 4 năm 2026 và 140 năm ngày quốc tế lao động, ngày 1 tháng 5 năm 1886, ngày 1 tháng 5 năm 2026 với chủ đề tình ca đất nước.
Chỉ đạo thực hiện, ban tổ chức kỷ niệm các ngày lễ lớn thành phố Hồ Chí Minh, chỉ đạo nội dung Sở Văn hóa và Thể thao thành phố Hồ Chí Minh, đơn vị thực hiện Trung tâm Nghệ thuật thành phố, đạo diễn Trần Vi Mỹ. Chương trình đang diễn ra tại sân khấu đường đi bộ Nguyễn Huệ, phường Sài Gòn, thành phố Hồ Chí Minh và được truyền hình trực tiếp trên sóng của Đài Phát thanh và Truyền hình thành phố Hồ Chí Minh.
Đến tham dự chương trình điều ý nghĩa hôm nay, chúng tôi trân trọng giới thiệu sự hiện diện của các đồng chí lãnh đạo, quý vị đại biểu, quý vị khách quý. Trân trọng giới thiệu sự hiện diện của đồng chí Nguyễn Phước Lộc, Ủy viên Trung ương Đảng, Phó Bí thư Thành ủy, Chủ tịch Ủy ban Mặt trận Tổ quốc Việt Nam thành phố Hồ Chí Minh. Trân trọng giới thiệu sự hiện diện của đồng chí Nguyễn Mạnh Cường, Ủy viên Dự khuyết Trung ương Đảng, Ủy viên Ban Thường vụ Thành ủy, Phó Chủ tịch Ủy ban Nhân dân thành phố Hồ Chí Minh. Trân trọng giới thiệu sự hiện diện của đồng chí Dương Anh Đức, Ủy viên Ban Thường vụ Thành ủy, Trưởng ban Tuyên giáo và Dân vận thành.
Sau bao nhiêu năm mới có ngày hòa bình, sự hòa bình ấy cũng đã lấy đi bao lo sự giận mình. Trong đêm hoa đằng sau ngày vui chiến thắng, có bao cái tên nằm lại nơi đây.
Đầm ấm, những cái nắm tay buộc phải rời nhau, những lời hẹn hò dang dở, hai bờ đợi chờ khắc khoải, nỗi đau chia cắt và khát vọng đoàn tụ đã hun đúc lên ý chí thống nhất với quyết tâm nối lại đôi bờ. Yêu thương lại về bền chặt và vẹn nguyên trong vòng tay tổ quốc yêu thương. ngân nga trôi cùng dòng nước, nụ hôn bâng khuâng thuyền ai lướt nhẹ nhàng nơi về nơi lòng
Trường Sơn Tây anh thương em bên ấy, mưa nhiều con đường mà đánh gạo, muối bay rừng già cho dài mà tay áo, hết rau rồi em có lấy bằng không? Anh lên xe trời đổ cơn mưa, cái gạt nước xua đi nỗi nhớ.
Right, it's loud. There's a million people out here. Dang. Yeah, I probably can't hear me, but that's okay. Folks out here eating, drinking, having a good time. Kids out here playing. They got some chairs, they got some seats out here. A million people out. We're gonna head towards the back. See what's going on. See if I can get back to talking. Real nice ceremony. See, folks, they still coming in. All across. Friends out here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch them. There's no way I can find him unless he sends me his location. Whatever this is, it must be good. Mecha. There's a lot of people in line waiting on it. Let me walk around and see if I can find my friend. Hello. Let me see. The kids love the camera. That's one thing I noticed since I've been out here. The kids see the camera and they want to jump in front of it. But it's the view from the back. I'm far. There's still a lot of people back here.
Can I talk with you just 1 minute? Where you from?
The guy came up to me in that blue shirt. He's saying it's for the kids. I don't know if it's true or not, but you'll have people come up to you talk to you, ask you to donate and give. This is the view. We in Ho Chi Minh City. We are in Saigon. I'm gonna make this the first video, but I still got a whole intro video of the country. So I don't want to put this out too late. So I'll make this the first video because this is the holiday. And I don't want it to be weeks out. So, but yeah, we're here. These are the views. Beautiful. Oh, they got some sparklers going on up top. They partying up top. But yeah, this is nice. Let's walk down this way. I would attempt to try to find my buddy, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I don't know if I won't even attempt because of how busy it is. Ain't too many of us out here, so I know I stand out. I was hoping that could be a way that I could spot him. But he's short, so I won't, unless I'm close by him, he's gonna blend in with everyone else. Kids got I don't know what that is, a dragon or a little snake on the ground. But I'm only walking over here, see if I can catch my friend Andre. A lot of teens out, a lot of teenagers in groups.
Dù sợ, dù khó khăn, vẫn quyết tâm dốc hết sức mình để mà đóng góp vào sự thành công.
Royal Hotel. This place looks expensive. It's nice. Got a drone. Oh, and there's a full moon tonight. It was supposed to rain tonight. It's a good thing it didn't. Oh, they got a McDonald's over here. Just okay, we ain't going deep in. We're gonna stay out here. We're gonna stay on the outskirts. That's it. It's loud now. This building here, it says the People Committee. I don't know if it's like a palace or where the government body is at, but it's very nice. It's in the center. It's a little bit less hectic over here. It's still loud. We're gonna walk towards the exit. This guy's shooting these little lights up in the air. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a nice night. All the kids out. not old enough. I wasn't alive during the Vietnam War. It did have something on there from the 1930s. So I don't know if this celebrating something else as well. I'm gonna look it up once I get to the house. I've been at the house, so I actually didn't plan on coming out tonight, but this is a big holiday for them, so that's why I decided to put my chunklers on. Got my linen on. It's so hot out here, you gonna sweat. But yeah, we hanging out. See what else we gonna get into tonight. Probably nothing. I'm just running my mouth. But yeah, we're in Saigon. I will start posting videos. I'm back in Asia. I was in Africa for 8-9 months. I was out there for a while. So we're back in Asia. We're gonna hit up a couple countries, and I don't know what we're gonna do from there. Check this traffic out. This traffic is crazy. It is busy. Folks are out. All right, we walking away from the crowd. Still busy out here. Still a billion people out here. Just going. How's it going? How y'all doing? All right. I saw them in another. Y'all gonna see them in another video. That's why I'm speaking to them. We were at a restaurant and I met them. We're not gonna show too much in this video. This is just to show the holiday that they got going on today. So you can see the crowds, the people, the kids, the food, folks having drinks, enjoying the evening. This is the beginning of a long holiday week. So stay tuned. Been showing a lot of Africa. That's where I've been. Now I'm back in Asia. Still not sure what country I'm gonna go to after this. So we're gonna have to see. Catch y'all on the next one.